What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna do an unboxing review for the GrimmSpeed TMIC Intercooler for the 2022 Plus VB WRX. All right, so stay tuned. Let's open it up, guys. Yo, this is a whole thing. This is so cool. All right, guys. It's just a empty box. Empty-ish. Let me double check that later on. All right. This is cool. This is really cool, guys. Check this out. Look it. So, thank you for your purchase. We appreciate your biddings. If you have any questions regarding your purchase, reach out to us at this email. This is from Brian. This is awesome. Pretty cool. This is awesome. I got that. This is nice. GrimmSpeed decal sticker. Woo, that is awesome. Oh, what in the world? Okay, we have two more GrimmSpeed license plate frames. License plate frames. We got two of them. Nice. Anything more? Ooh, okay. Okay, oh, here we go. Alright, we got more stickers, guys. These ones look like color black. GrimmSpeed. Green sticker black. And of course, guys, the main thing. Oh, it's got some weight on it. Oh, this is awesome. The GrimmSpeed TMIC Intercooler. This is awesome, dude. Wow, it's so cool. It's got some weight onto it. Nice. This is nice. Little O-rings. Nice. It's a nice block of aluminum, dude. This is awesome. And of course, it comes with the coupler itself. Oh, this is so cool. All right, one second. Let me double check for everything else. No. This is pretty cool, guys. Wow. Oh, dude. This is awesome. Hold on, let me put this back and I'm gonna show you what it really looks like up close. Guys, that just about does it for today. Again, this is just an unboxing video. I'm gonna actually do the install maybe tomorrow or the following day, but I'm gonna do a before and after of what I feel, if I hear any more spools or if I feel any more power, any more punch after installing this TMIC Intercooler. Okay, but this is it, guys. It was good packaging overall. Good packaging, great product. Yeah, that's about it for today, guys. All right, so I'll see you guys later. Okay.